What's going on, boys and girls? Back again for another install on the SQ5. Today's video is brought to you by my friends over at DeAutoKey, and they've actually sent over some lights for us to install. So in here, they actually sent me a sour punch, which I thought was really nice. In that box, we have reverse LEDs, which you do have to buy separately. Then this is the interior light kit, trunk, footwells, puddle, dome, sun visor, and more puddle LEDs. And then in here is what I'm really excited about. Anticlimactic for sure. These are actually their switchback LED fog lights, which I'll tell you guys more about in a second, but let's go ahead and get these installed. First step to installing fog lights is obviously to remove the grille. I didn't realize it was this easy on the SQ5 until I looked it up on YouTube. You literally grab the bottom corner. This one's already loose, so I'm cheating. But you pull out, and then there's two tabs on the back corner that slide in. Just kind of pull out and in, and this thing pops right out. It does take a good amount of force, but it doesn't look like there are any clips that can be easily broken on it. From there are two Torx bits holding the fog light in. There's one down there, and one tucked back in there as well. And then to take this bulb out, all you're gonna do is you're gonna twist it. I'm not sure which way to go. Twist it, hang on. Stand by. It'd be much easier if I had a cinematographer, but I don't, so. We're just gonna twist it. Yeah, there we go, that way. So twist it counterclockwise. Pull this out. Alright, so this does fit. Just when it came, the O-ring was actually sitting up around this part. You have to move the O-ring down a little bit. That'll allow you to create the seal when you put it in, and again, I need a cinematographer. Put it in there, twist, and you should be in business. Little fan on the back. This is normal for LEDs. I remember Palin had the same thing on his. Alright, well I'm gonna go turn the lights on, and you guys will know before if they work. I may have put it in backwards. There we go. Now we're in business. Alright, so what's cool about these fog lights? Well, let me go press the fog light button, and I will tell you. As you can see, the fog light changed color and it's yellow now. All right, and there she is back in there. So let's go ahead, actually, I'm gonna pull the car into the garage so you can see a difference in light output. So coming home and all the other features like turning lights still work with these lights great. It's just gonna be white. So if I unlock the car, yeah, there's your light output from this fog light. And there's your light output from that one. We'll go ahead and switch them to yellows. It's really easy to do. As I said before, you just press the fog light button once, off, and then back on within 2 seconds. And now you can see that one has a nice yellow output, and this one is still boring. One more time to compare the color for the last setting, which is white and yellow together. They're actually fairly similar. It doesn't look as much on camera. And then the strobe. This is just back and forth. I'll have to show you this one so we get both installed. So DeAutoKey told me to test this first to see if it happens, but I guess it happens on a lot of cars. When you put this one on the strobe mode, the car thinks that the bulb is out, and it throws a code for it. So they actually sent me these resistors, which I believe you can ask them for when you order the fog lights, and it also has a big piece of 3M. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna take this resistor, tuck that wire back there, and 3M it underneath here where there is enough room for it to fit. I just, have to not do it while I'm holding a camera. Close the garage one more time. These are the final results of the LED fogs. Super bright, will be nice for night cruises. And then yellow. Now the main reason I wanted both of these is if you guys remember, on my S4, my GTI, I ran yellow fog lights because in the rain and snow, LED fog lights especially reflect back at you, and the yellow shade of them doesn't reflect as much. Then I'm not really sure why I would use this setting, the yellow and white together, but it's there, it's cool. This is what I'm excited for. Now that we have the resistor and everything, well, this one won't throw a code, but flashing back and forth, you can see the front of the car there. It looks a little bit ricey and, definitely not something that I'm gonna be using regularly. But in case of emergency or something like that, it's nice to have, or if I need to get someone's attention. And then in the real case of emergency, this is like a rave in here. It definitely would get attention if you were on the side of the road like that. There's the final product, just as white. They match the LEDs in the headlights really nicely. I'm really happy with how these look. Just in case you don't understand, operation of these fog lights is super simple. On is white like normal. You press it off and then press it on again within 2 seconds. It'll cycle to the next mode. It goes white and yellow, flashing, and then strobe. If you don't have them on at all and you go to make a turn and you have cornering lights on like I do, the cornering light will be white. Obviously if you have your fog lights on, it doesn't matter what the cornering lights do. Again, the main reason I got this is because I love the look of nice, clear, white fog lights during the day, but in the rain and snow, it just doesn't make sense. They reflect back at you, so I've never done white fog lights before. I've always done yellow. This allows me to do the best of both worlds and have a couple, you know, fun party tricks as well. So let's get these interior LEDs installed, and then I'll show you guys what those look like as well. Popping in the rest of this stuff real quick. We got the reverse lights. Reverse lights are really easy. Go through here. There's a Phillips head bolt that ends up sitting right here. Then you just grab from the corner here, pull out, the whole light pops out. You do this connector, and then the reverse light is actually sitting in here, rotated. You just rotate it, pull it out. We're gonna toss the reverse LED bulb in there. All right, we're on. Yeah, hey, all right, keep it there for a second. Look at how bright this one is. Look at how lame this one is. Not sure if you can tell there's a big, yeah, there's a huge difference there. Auto lights are in, these are really easy. They just pop out, drop down, that's it. And, is that on VS's? And they end up looking like that. Very nice. May rush through these last ones a little bit just for the sake of time. But this comes out, you drop down the sunglasses holder, there's a Torx bolt in here, and then you just pull down, the whole thing drops down. Okay, so I should add, online they're like, just go from the back here. It's like virtually impossible to get a bulb in there. This thing just pops out from the front and then it comes out from the back as well. It'd be so much easier to get a bulb in like this. I'm doing that. All we have to do is a quick check. They work great. Shut them off and we'll do the fronts, which are twist out ones from the back, so that'll be easy. All right, and there you go, nice white light. These mirror ones are like everything else we've ever done. You just reach under the head, pull down, switch the bulb out, put it back in. I'm not even gonna show you this, it's so easy. The rears are really easy. The light that goes up here. There's just a lot of clips on the back, so you work your way around, pop those out, and then there's 2 bulbs. Come on, 1, 2, we're gonna pop both of those out. All right, well, here's the whole package together. We got the LED fogs on for coming home. We have the whole interior done. LEDs up there, LEDs down there, LEDs in the middle, LEDs in the back, and then LEDs in the trunk too, and then we have the LED reverse lights. I'm a big fan of DeAutoKey, 1, because they make cool LEDs, but 2, because they actually stand behind their product. They have a lifetime warranty on everything. On my GT, I had their plate bulbs. I had one go out. They warranted it, no problem. Sent me out a new replacement, no questions asked. So I'm really happy with them. I'm really happy with these LED lights. I actually haven't had a chance to run the yellow fogs in rain or snow yet. But I'm sure they'll perform spectacularly. Again, if you are interested in any of these and you have a question about anything, you can shoot them an email or just check out their website. It'll be at the top of the description. A huge thanks to DeAutoKey for sponsoring this video. Again, remember, everything you buy from them has a lifetime warranty. I'm really happy with them. Now this is going to give me motivation to actually clean my interior because I can see stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really excited about the fogs especially, but you know, the whole LED package makes everything look cleaner. As always, thank you guys for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.